How to have transparent background on After Effects. So first you need to import something that has transparent background. You cannot make something have a transparent background in After Effects. You can remove the background like app like Photoshop or anything. Once it has this transparent background, you can just export it with a transparent background. For that, click on File at the top and then choose over here export and choose add to render queue. Once this is added over here, you need to play around with the settings. Once you're over here, you need to click on this option over here called output module. Click on it, click on whatever it has. Over here, make sure you have QuickTime under format and RGB over here under channels, and in depth you can have this. And basically once you have the settings, click on OK, and then basically just what you need to do is click on this checkbox over here. Click on this checkbox and basically click on just queue to render, or you can click on render and it will be rendered without any background. That's how we guys can get transparent background in After Effects. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like